Hi, I'm RoamingAndro. I am currently in Bangkok in the Chinatown area. I'm hungry. All I had today was coffee. I don't know, these motorcycles, scooters. Like, is this a street you can go down with a scooter? Maybe it's a shortcut. I don't know. Alright, got some chrysanthemum shiza. Just spilled it. Totally spilled it. And it's the spot. Chilled chrysanthemum. Somewhat Road dates back to the reign of King Rama from the late 19th century. It was built after a massive fire swept through the nearby Chinatown area. The name Somewhat means the king drew because King Rama V is said to have personally drawn the route on a map himself. After it was built, the area became a commercial hub. It is one of Bangkok's first riverside trading streets. You can find a record shop, a vintage store, some antiques, little knickknacks here and there. During the early 20th century, it was filled with Chinese Thai merchant families, shop fronts stacked with spices, dried fruits, and old wooden signage in Chinese characters. Over time, as Bangkok modernized, Somewhat became quieter and somewhat overlooked. But in recent years, it's had a creative revival. Artists, cafes, small galleries have moved into the century-old shop houses. So now it is part of the Creative District Initiative, blending old architecture with new design energy. Thanks for joining me again. I am RoamingAndro. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.